Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day we are uploading my channel for IT content videos. Okay, subscribe Selva solution. Today we are see Microsoft Store's encounter issue. Okay, when I try to open and install on Microsoft apps, not installing, it's shown encounter issue. See that I now WhatsApp installed, see error encountered. Okay, how to solve this issue? Just close this one. We are given in description for this file and taken a screenshot, put an thumbnail for video. Okay, I'm given description file is there. We are given just copy paste to C drive. Okay, and copy and paste to C drive. Just to open it once refresh it, open and WB 64-bit and run as administrator. Just open and this disable update is there. Just click update, enable update, just apply OK, close it. Now just simply restart the PC. Okay, restart, wait a few minutes.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Now go and check Microsoft Store. Now working because I update issue. So need to WhatsApp. Need to dot update enable. Okay, working. The file there in the description section. Go and download it. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching Surface Solutions. Thank you friends.